Hey guys, here's a tutorial to do some stick line art. I had previously done one of Shawn Mendes, and I thought it'd be cool to do one of Ariana Grande too and film a tutorial on how to do it as well. You're going to print out a picture of the person you want to draw. So I've done Ariana Grande. I've printed out black and white photo of her, and this paper should fit my other, like the page I want to transfer it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil and rub it down the back over here. So I just took a pencil, 3B pencil, and I just rubbed it all the way down my paper, which is on the back side. And then I just took my finger and I started blending it in. So once you've done that, you can turn it over to fit your paper. And then you take some tape and you can tape your photo down. So after taping it down, you want to take your pencil and outline everything you see. So every single shade you see, you want to outline that. So I'm going to start off over here, and I see this shade. So I'm just going to outline that. And then I see this right here. So I'm going to outline this. So here I am just outlining every single line I see. So in this photo, I see her face shapes and then also the different colors you see. So I see the dark part of her hair. I'm going to outline that as a blob. And then I see the highlights on her chin, the highlights on her nose, her hair, her neck. Those areas I'm going to highlight as a blob too. I'm also doing her earrings as well because that is also a shade. So basically just go over every shade you see and create a blob shape to outline it. Now remember, you're also outlining the actual photo and not just the shades, because you need the actual outline of the person itself to do the line art. And make sure that even while you're outlining, there's still you could still see what's on the back. So when I take the tape off, it's not gonna be actual pencil strokes you could see. This is what we have. You could see a dent in the paper, which I will go over. So that's what we meant. It's when we are tracing over this paper, we're not going to get the exact imprint. This is for us to get some help with the sketch before we actually go in with the line art. So I've actually finished my outline, and I'm going to take some pens and go over the outline really quick. So I'm going to go over it with pencil, and then I'm going to go over it with pen. After outlining, this is what my drawing looks like. You're going to fill in all of the solid black area. So in this, it would be all around here, this part, her hair, her eyeliner, her eyes, this gap in between her mouth, over here under her arm, her hair, this part. So yeah. And to do this, I'm using a Sharpie. So basically, I'm going to kind of add volume over here. So once you've blacked out everything that's supposed to be black, you're going to take different sized tip markers and you're going to add lines in to show the different shades. So I'll start off with the one with you guys. So let's say we're doing this part over here. It's a dark color. So I think I would go for since it's not as dark as some of the other shades, that one over here, and I think I'm going to go for a 5 size. So this one for these 2 shades right here. So to do this, I'm just going to do horizontal lines. Going all the way down. You're going to repeat this for the rest of the shades you see and whatever is outlined. I have finally finished outlining and filling in my Ariana Grande drawing, and now I'm going to do the background. Because even though it's actually black in the picture, it would match up and clash with her hair color, which I don't want to do. So that's why I'm going to do the background with the Posca pens. This is the final product. I think it looks really good, and this is basically how I do my line art portraits. Just at the background, I usually sometimes leave blank, but today I decided to do the background as well, though it kind of was a bit of a struggle. So this is it for today, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like down below. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!